You don't start trading because you're ready. You start because you're tired of watching everyone else make money. It's late. Your room is quiet, just the soft hum of your fan. You're lying on your bed, scrolling. Another video, another guy turning small money into something big. $100 to $1,000, $50 to $500. It all looks easy until you actually try. You sit up, open your phone, download a trading app. That's step one. No strategy, no plan, just curiosity. The app loads, charts everywhere. Red, green, numbers moving faster than you can understand. You pause, because no one tells you this part, how confusing it feels at the beginning. You top randomly at first. Different coins, different charts, everything looks the same, like noise. That's when you almost quit, but instead you slow down. You pick one pair, just one. You don't need everything, you just need to understand something. You zoom into the chart. Candles start to make more sense. Not fully, but enough to notice something. Price doesn't move randomly, it reacts. Levels, points where it stops, then turns. You mark one, just a simple line, nothing fancy. Then you wait. This is step two, waiting. Not trading, just watching. Minutes pass, then more. You feel the urge to click something, anything, but you don't, because this time you're trying something different. The price comes back to your line, slows, pauses. Your heart beats faster, because now you're not guessing, you're observing. The candle forms, wicks down, then holds. You remember what you saw earlier, same behavior, same reaction. So you enter, small, very small, not to win, but to learn. That's step three, your first real trade. The price moves instantly, down. Of course it does. Your chest tightens, finger hovering over close, but you stop because you planned this. You set your risk. You already decided what you can lose, so now you let it play out. That's step four, risk management, not emotion. Seconds pass, then the price slows, then turns, green. Small at first, then stronger. You lean forward, eyes locked, because now you're seeing it happen, not in a video, in your trade. It moves up, slow, then faster. You don't wait for perfection. You take profit early, close the trade. Small win, nothing crazy, but real. You sit back, and for the first time, it clicks. Not the money, the process. Step 5, repeat. Not blindly, but carefully. You don't jump into every move anymore. You wait for your setup, your level, your confirmation. Trade by trade, you improve. Some win, some lose. But now you understand something most beginners don't. It's not about winning every trade. It's about surviving long enough to get better. Days pass. You're calmer now. Charts don't look like noise anymore. They look like behavior, patterns, decisions being made by thousands of people that you're learning to read. And slowly, you realize, crypto trading isn't complicated. People just make it look that way. At its core, it's simple. Wait, observe, execute, manage risk, repeat. You lock your phone, not because you're done, but because now you know what you're doing. And that's where most people never get to, because they skip the steps. You didn't, and that's the difference.